Tired of juggling leads, marketing, and client management with a million different tools? Let's explore how Kvcore can be your all-in-one real estate powerhouse. First up, lead generation. Kvcore isn't just a database. It's a lead magnet. Notice the smart numbers, landing pages, and integrated marketing campaigns. You can create targeted ads and capture leads directly into your system. Next, let's dive into the CRM here. Every client interaction is recorded, from emails to text to call notes. This comprehensive view ensures you never miss a beat and can personalize your approach. Now for the magic of marketing automation. Kvcore allows you to build automated email campaigns, schedule social media posts, and even create dynamic content based on lead behavior. Don't forget the integrated website. Kvcore offers a customizable website builder with IDX integration, showcasing listings beautifully and capturing even more leads directly. See how easy it is to schedule tasks, appointments, and follow-ups directly within Kvcore, keeping you organized and on top of your game. The result: streamlined operations, increased productivity, and a business that runs like a well-oiled machine. Kvcore truly empowers you to focus on what matters most: closing deals. Ready to take control of your real estate business? Explore Kvcore today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tech tips. #real estate tech #CRM.